All right, today we are in for a treat at this property tour. If you're a fan of older homes that have been remodeled to show off their new potential, you're in the right place today. So I've already actually recorded this video all the way through, but we're trying out some new things with my audio and for this iPhone. It's actually my wife that's filming this right now in the passenger seat. So make sure to say hello to Tara in the comments. But yeah, the audio turned out horrible. And so hopefully the second time around, we'll do much better. Right now, we're still on the road. We're actually at the intersection of Royal and Webb Chapel. Almost there. Nice day out for a property tour. And don't make fun of me, but I recently just played basketball for the first time in a while. Ran full court with my friend Daniel Huffman. Let me just say my knee I'm just not feeling like my youthful self. And so we're going to do this walkthrough, this home tour. Hopefully I don't look like old grandpa. But yeah, we'll see you guys there. All right, trying out this basketball knee. I'm 36. I felt like I was 56 last week, but we're gonna go ahead and give this home tour a go. We just pulled up. This is where Northwest Dallas meets Forest Lane, meets I-635, and some of the best dining in DFW. We have Korean barbecue over in that direction, and then Papado Seafood Kitchen about 10 minutes in that direction. This is one of the most convenient areas of Dallas to own a home. You're in a prime location within 2 minutes of an IMAX theater, 5 minutes from I-635, and 20 minutes from Dallas Love Field Airport. And this fully renovated home built in 1962 offers charming historic character along with modernized luxury finishes. This is another one of my listings with the ROI guys, Alec Hilliard and Daniel Huffman. You've seen them on the channel before, and if you've ever been interested in seeing some behind the scenes on real estate investing, be sure to give them a follow. Let's go ahead and check out this incredible home. I'll see you guys inside. All right, after you've had a nice seafood dinner over at Papado or checked out the latest blockbuster film over at IMAX, you step inside a home with a fully renovated interior and unparalleled style. As soon as we walk in, we are greeted with an open concept, offering a functional layout for entertaining and everyday living. And as we move to your right, we have a spacious area by the front windows for seating that flows into the dining area. And if we wanted to decorate this with home office furniture, there's plenty of room for that as well. You're gonna notice brand new tile floors and a clean contemporary design throughout the whole home. Heading over to the main living area, you have a wide open space that can be used for additional seating by the floor-to-ceiling fireplace and into our living room. I'm personally a huge fan of the floor-to-ceiling fireplace, the tile floors, and the very trendy black accents and gold fixtures you're seeing more often now. This open floor plan maximizes your space and provides plenty of natural lighting as well. Our kitchen continues with the black and gold trend as we have our breakfast area in the corner, then a fully remodeled kitchen with brand new countertops to top it off. And then moving into our main hallway for 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here's bedroom 1 overseeing the front yard. Our second bedroom seeing the corner lot and the front yard as well. You'll see a beautiful guest bathroom with high-end finishes, sure to impress your guests. Then we move into our master bedroom, plenty of space in here for a king-size mattress and some extra large furniture if you need it. One of the show-stopping features of this home is the incredible bathrooms here. We have sliding shower doors, again the black and gold trendy finishes, and dual shower heads in each of these showers. Let's go ahead and finish off with our 4th bedroom and our last bathroom. Our 4th bedroom is a good enough size room for a queen-size mattress or a full mattress, and it oversees the backyard. And again, our last half bath over here by the breakfast area. We'll have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, nearly 2,300 square feet of living space on a 1/3 of an acre corner lot, all for just $625,000. In the last 6 months alone, there have been homes sell within a mile to mile and a half that have gone anywhere from $550,000 to $750,000, so the next homeowners can feel like they're getting a good deal. And when buying a home, unless you're an investor, you're actually deciding to live in the area, so you're gonna wanna know what the local scene is like. So let's go and take a look at some of the nearby amenities. As I mentioned earlier, you are 2 minutes from Cinemark Dallas and IMAX. This is a quick drive for your family movie nights or a date night. You are also 5 minutes from 635 for easy commuting. 635 is a 37-mile long highway that stretches from southeast Dallas, traveling northward through Balch Springs into Mesquite, then leads you as far west as Grapevine. This is how many local homeowners get in and around the area. Then you are also 10 minutes from I-35. I-35 is a completely different story, taking you as far south as Laredo to as north as Minnesota, totaling nearly 1,600 miles in length. And many of you guys are probably familiar with the popularity of Pappadeaux Seafood Kitchen. This is a great place to go on a date or take your team out and treat them after a big win. Cowboys Dance Hall is another story though. As the name suggests, this is more of a Western-themed nightclub, but it also hosts corporate parties, wedding receptions, birthday parties, and even dance lessons for those of you that still don't know how to two-step. We're 20 minutes from Dallas Love Field. Love Field is a city-owned public airport that is 6 miles northwest of downtown Dallas and was the main airport here until 1974 when DFW International Airport opened. Very convenient if you need to travel for work often and you're living in this home. And living over here means you're near several parks as well. We are just a few blocks away from Webb Chapel Park. This is a 7.5-acre park offering outdoor basketball courts, a pavilion, picnic tables, a playground, and a soccer field. Royal Park is another park that's walking distance away and offers 10.5 acres, basketball courts, a playground, picnic tables, tennis courts, and walking trails. And then Northaven Park in Greenbelt is a 21-acre community park offering baseball and softball fields, grills, outdoor basketball courts, playgrounds, and tennis courts as well. We've covered the home tour, we've covered what the nearby things to do are. Now let's go take a look at what the potential monthly payments would look like. Full disclosure, I am a realtor, not a certified loan officer. You've heard me say this in previous videos before. So I'm just using some basic math with current interest rates. And at the time of making this video, interest rates are hovering around 7%. If you were to make a conventional offer at asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $31,250 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 7%. This brings our principal and interest payment to $39.37. Taxes in 2023 had around a 2% tax rate for the year. So let's estimate about $12,000 in annual taxes, bringing us to an estimate of $1,000 a month. Again, this could be a little higher or lower depending on the tax value. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $488 a month. This could go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we are putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $433 a month as well. We're looking at a monthly payment estimate of $5,900 a month. If you put 20% down, that would be a $125,000 down payment, and it brings your P&I down to $33.15 and knocks off your mortgage insurance. So that makes your monthly payment $48.45. You've heard me say this before as well. These are just some ballpark estimates using current interest rates. I am not a certified loan officer. I'm just selling the houses. So guys, this is going to close us out on our latest listing and house tour in Dallas, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Do me a favor, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about this home, would like a tour in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. And lastly, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, or check out one of my other listings, click on this video or this video.